How do you merge layers in Premiere? Well, there are several ways to do it. Hello and welcome to Clean Film. To group layers in Premiere, we can use group or nest, but each has its drawbacks. Let's start with nesting. Select all the layers you want to group. You can select multiple by holding down the Shift key while clicking. Once you have them all selected, right-click on one of them and look for the option called Nest. You'll see that all the layers have been merged into one, but the audio hasn't. So what happened to the audio? Okay, if you go inside the nested layer, you'll see that it has its own audio inside. You can fix this, let's say, if you take the layer you nested and import it back into the sequence, okay? But keep in mind that you have to delete the duplicated audio. All of this is if you want to work with the new audio. If the audio you had was the final version, you can just leave it as it is. Peace. Yes, absolutely, of course.
I honestly don't really know what they said to me, to be honest.
I think I said everything, just not in order. If you choose the other option, grouping, we do the same. Select all the layers you want to group, right-click and choose group. At first glance, it looks like nothing happened, but if you select one layer, all the ones you grouped will be selected. The downside of this method is that you don't have access to the effect controls, so you can't add or modify any effects on any of the layers. You would have to click and ungroup, which you can do in order to modify something. And then I group it again. And that's it, right? And that's all for now. Subscribe here. Watch a video here. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And that's it. I didn't do that badly, did I?